today's video is going to be very important for you if you want to live a peaceful life. Well, right now I'm going to buy tomatoes because tomatoes are over for me and I have to buy tomato can. And while going to buy tomatoes, I'm going to talk about today's video. All houses are good here in my area, but there is one house which is my favorite and I'm going to show that to you now. I like this one the most. Good that the car is coming so I can show you for a longer time. Very nice house. Coming to the topic, when somebody asks you, which political party do you support? Is it BJP? Is it Congress? Is it Aam Aadmi Party? What is your answer at that time? Say BJP, then be ready to argue with Congress supporters or Aam Aadmi Party supporters. If you say Congress, then be ready to fight with the other two. If you say Aam Aadmi Party, then be ready to fight with other two. Well, in my previous company, there were two people, they were very good friends. One was BJP supporter and one was Aam Aadmi Party supporter. And they both were very good friends. But when they started talking about politics and they started talking about supporting each other and how the other party is corrupt, they started spoiling relations with each other. Because when Aam Aadmi Party supporter would ask him what BJP has done, then he had many answers which Aam Aadmi Party supporter never accepted. Similarly for BJP supporter. This is also a very beautiful house. When BJP supporter asked Aam Aadmi Party supporter that what Aam Aadmi Party has done, he supported Aam Aadmi Party a lot and gave many answers, but BJP supporter did not accept those answers. Initially they were doing it as fun, but as the time passed by, they started taking it seriously. They did not thought it like BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. They started taking it as their insult. If a BJP supporter would say something to Aam Aadmi Party supporter or Congress supporter, then they would take that as their insult. Same goes for Congress supporter and Aam Aadmi supporter. Then those two people's relations became so bad just because of political party discussion. And they stopped talking to each other. This is how dangerous this political party discussion is. Well, my question is, why are we even discussing which party is good? If you have seen Bhootnath Returns movie, in that movie, Amitabh Bachchan said,
2000 करोड़ का घोटाला करने वाले को वोट दें, 1000 करोड़ वाले को दें या 200 करोड़ वाले.
Both parties are bad and we have to choose which party is less bad, and it is a fact.
2000 और 1000 करोड़ वाले के सामने 200 करोड़ वाला तो ईमानदार हुआ ना, तो चलो इसी को वोट दे देते हैं.
When you say BJP is very good, Aam Aadmi Party is very good, Congress is very good, no party is very good. All parties have corruption charges. It's just that some party has looted us less and the other party has looted us more. But the fact is that all parties have looted us, whether you agree or not.
Why you're always trying so hard to make me surrender?
And what do you think? That if you try to convince the other person, party supporter, would he agree? Would he accept what you are saying? 0.1% of people might accept that what you are saying is a fact, but 99.9% would say no, my party is right, my party is foolproof, my party is very good, your party is the corrupt party, and you will end up spoiling your relations with that person for sure. Luckily it hasn't happened with me so far, but I have seen many people spoiling their personal relations because of political argument.
क्या सोच रहा है तू? सोच रहा हूँ अपने देश का क्या होगा? इनको सोचने से तो सो रहे बेटा. तू भी सो जा.
Just don't see any news on WhatsApp or any news channel and come up to a conclusion that this party is foolproof, very good, this party is very bad. No. Apply your mind and don't try to convince anyone that which party is good and which party is bad if you want peace of mind. Well, now somebody might say that, bro, if we don't try to convince other person, then we might end up choosing the wrong party. Bro, all parties are wrong. And so far, tell me the truth. Have you ever been able to convince anyone? No, right? Well, what is my answer when somebody asks me which political party do you support or to which political party are you going to vote? Though I'm not in India. My answer so far has always been, let's see. Let me decide which party I'm going to vote. So far, I can't say anything. By doing this, I cut down the discussion there and I save a lot of time and efforts for myself, and I can utilize those time and efforts and energy somewhere else. If I had said that I would vote for this particular party, then obviously that would lead to a long argument and the result would be zero for sure. So by giving a simple answer, I saved a lot of energy, time and efforts for myself, and peace also. Peace of mind is also there for me. So when somebody asks you which political party do you support, the simple answer should be, let me think which political party I am going to vote for. If you want peace of mind, if you want a long discussion which is a waste of time for you and for the other person, then you can say I support BJP, I support Aam Aadmi Party, I support Congress, whichever you say. That would be the answer that is coming from your heart. But the smart answer would be, let me think which party I am going to vote for. Well, the bananas are for 118 yen today. So let me take these 4 bananas. I like cold drinks, so I've taken these 2 colas. So let me go and see tomatoes. Well, let me take spaghetti as well. This is brown spaghetti and this is yellow spaghetti. So let me take this one. This one is better, I think. Well, the tomato I was looking for is not there. So unfortunately, I have to go return without tomatoes. These are the chopped tomatoes in tomato juice. So I don't like this one. I wanted to discuss this thing only with you. So try and follow that if you like. And if you don't like, then you can continue to have a long argument with many people. All the best. Let people understand themselves. The party they are choosing, the party they are supporting is good or bad. Well, I would like to end my vlog here. I hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe it and share it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun. Let me show you the night view of this house. What a beautiful house.